Hey YouTube, this is Alexandra Monet, and in this video, we are going to discuss a particular hairstyle of an awesome character in the movie Turning Red. And if you're like me, you loved this Becoming of Age movie. So there was 4 young girls who were the bestest of friends, and one of them, named Priya, had a hairstyle that I absolutely loved. So I decided to recreate the look. So in this video, we're going to show you how to get Priya's hairstyle on natural hair. So let's get into it. I sectioned off a portion of my hair that is going to be used for Priya's bangs. So now, I don't know if you noticed, but her bangs are pretty straight compared to the rest of her hair, which is so curly. That is the part of the hairstyle that I really, really love. So for this look, I'm going ahead and I'm using a curler. You can use any type of perm rod, but I believe the trick would be for this hairstyle is to make sure that it is a big roller. So I went ahead and I put 2 for my bang. That way I could have a 2-sided bang. Now for the rest of my hair, I'm going ahead and I am going to figure out what kind of curl pattern I want to do. So you can put in rollers as well in the back of your hair, but for me, I am natural and I am going to be doing a braid out in the back of my hair. So as you saw, I dampened my hair with my spray bottle and I went ahead and I used my curling foam that is going to help define my curls that are coming from my braids. And I'm going to go ahead and braid up the section of my hair. So a key look for Priya's hair is the bottom of her hair has nice bouncy spiral curls. So I have a perm rod here that is actually a lot smaller than the one that I used in front of my hair for the bangs. And I'm going to add that to the ends of my braids to give a nice curl at the bottom. Check out Priya's hairstyle, guys. It definitely has this awesome look. So that is what I am doing to the rest of my head. For you naturals out there, I probably put in about, I would have to say 6 twists or 6 braids on both sides. And I made sure that I used this perm rod at the end to give me nice buoyancy curls. So this is what we are looking like. I have finished putting in all my braids. However you decide to curl your hair is up to you, but this is what I am doing. So again, the back is super curly and we have some front, kind of straight dipping into curly bangs. So I believe that this will give me the achieved hairstyle. And I think we're on to something, guys. So this is the next day when I took out my braids and my perm rods at the ends, and you can see those pretty spiral curls and all the curls in the back that is really going to make this hairstyle pop. So now let's see how my bangs turned out. Again, I'm looking for more of a straight haired curly end kind of look that Priya had in the video, and I believe that this size roller would work. And I think that it did. I really like the way that this roller kind of curled my hair because it elongated it at the front and then it kind of curled it at the bottom. Really similar to Priya's hair. So I'm very excited about how it turned out. And if you're natural, trust me, this is a great achievement. So also what I did to kind of separate the curls is I was very gentle because I don't want to disturb them too much, but I just kind of wrapped it around to kind of push it to the, back side of my hair, not the back side, but more towards my curls so it would flow better because I don't want to separate it too much at all. I really don't want to mess with it because I don't want that look to go away. But if you're like me and you just want a little bit of separation, you want to go in and take your time and maybe do 3 parts just to kind of, fluff those curls out and get more volume out of them. But you don't want to disturb the curl style, if you get my drift, because this is the look that we're going for, okay? So yeah, and that's how I did her bangs and that's how I did the back of her hair. So lastly, what I did was I got some bobby pins and, since my hair is very curly and it does have a lot of volume by being natural, I pinned the front of my hair down just a little bit That way my bangs could kind of flow with the rest of my hair in the back. Because remember, we kind of got two different curl patterns going on here that Priya is working with, and that's why I think I love her style so much. The curl pattern in the front, it's totally different from the curl pattern in the back, but it just flows so, it's just so cute. So that's what we did. We bobby pinned those down that way it wouldn't be too puffy. And this is the look, and I absolutely loved it just as much as I loved it on Priya. I love it on me too. And I think it was a win. I think we matched it as good as we could for us being a natural. So, and I actually just might wear this hairstyle a lot more. Like, I didn't ever think that, I would have straighter curls in the front and more kinkier curls in the back. I never thought that would be a thing, but it is a thing and I am really feeling it. So I hope that you guys like this video. If you haven't seen the movie, definitely see it. It is the cutest movie ever. And like me, you'll get a lot of fun things from it, such as hairstyles, but also an awesome message. So until next time, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.